Hi, do you mind if I tell you something? You know, sounding polite in English is as important as using correct grammar, or perhaps even more important because being polite is part of the English culture. So, today, let's learn how to sound polite in English. To begin with, rule number one. Do your best to avoid imperatives. You really shouldn't say, please give me a cup of tea, for example. You should say instead, can I have a cup of tea? Or, will you please give me a cup of tea? Or even, could you give me a cup of tea? You can also use some other expressions as well. You could say, do you mind if? Do you mind if I open the window? Or do you mind opening the window, please? You can also say, do you think you could help me? Do you think I could borrow your pen? Do you think you could give me a hand with this problem? Also, don't forget to say thank you. It is very important to thank a person who helps you. And there are many ways to do so. Apart from saying thank you or thank you very much, you can say, you saved my day. Or you can say, thanks a million. Or you can also say, I really appreciate your help. Appreciate means I value your help very much. So, please be polite and learn English. If you're interested in watching more videos, please subscribe to my channel.